High in the rugged mountains of Europe, Asia, and Africa soars one of the most mysterious and awe-inspiring birds in the world. The bearded vulture, also known as the Lammergeier. It's massive, it's majestic. While most birds are content with seeds, fish, or insects, this bird has a taste for something much more unusual. Bones. Yes, you heard that right. Bones. Not just nibbling them, but swallowing them whole and digesting them with terrifying efficiency. Meet the bone-crushing specialist. The bearded vulture, Gypaetus barbatus, gets its name from the tufts of black feathers under its beak that resemble a beard. This bird boasts a wingspan of almost 3 meters, approximately 10 feet, a size that places it among the largest of the world's flying birds. It's not just any bird. This one stands out because of its unique and rather peculiar diet, a characteristic that sets it apart from all the rest. Unlike other scavengers that prefer soft tissues, the bearded vulture doesn't wait around for meat. It wants the leftovers that no one else dares touch. Its diet consists of up to 90% bone. This extreme specialization is not only rare, it's virtually unmatched in the animal kingdom. How does it eat bones? The bearded vulture has mastered the art of bone consumption. 1. Swallowing whole bones. It can swallow bones up to 25 to 30 centimeters long, around 10 to 12 inches, in a single gulp. These bones are then digested in a stomach so acidic that it can dissolve bone material within 24 hours. 2. Bone-dropping behavior. If a bone is too big to swallow, the vulture flies high, sometimes over 100 meters, 330 feet, and drops the bone onto rocks to shatter it into smaller, swallowable pieces. This dramatic behavior has earned it the nickname bone dropper. 3. High-altitude living. Bearded vultures are typically found in mountainous regions like the Himalayas, the Alps, the Pyrenees, and the Ethiopian highlands, where large ungulates like goats and sheep are common prey for predators. The vultures swoop in later to scavenge the skeletal remains. Why bones? You might wonder, why bones? They're not juicy or easy to chew. But bones are actually packed with nutrients, especially fat and calcium. In harsh alpine environments where food is scarce, this gives the bearded vulture a critical edge. While other scavengers pick at meat, the bearded vulture sticks around for the leftovers and thrives. Adding to its fearsome reputation, the bearded vulture often stains its normally white chest feathers reddish-orange. It does this by bathing in iron-rich soil or water, turning its feathers blood red. Scientists believe this might serve a purpose, either to intimidate rivals or signal strength and health during mating. Are bearded vultures preyed upon? Adult bearded vultures have very few natural predators due to their large size, strength, and ability to soar at high altitudes. However, they do face some threats, which includes 1. Eggs and chicks in the nest are vulnerable to predators like eagles, ravens, and sometimes mammalian predators, e.g. martins or foxes, if the nest is accessible. 2. Human-related threats are a bigger concern. These include poisoning, both intentional and accidental, collisions with power lines, habitat disturbance, and illegal shooting in some regions. Although adult bearded vultures have few natural predators, their young are vulnerable to a range of threats, with humans posing the most significant danger to their survival. How long do they live? Bearded vultures are long-lived birds. While their average lifespan in the wild is between 20 and 30 years, it's important to note that this number is heavily influenced by and can vary considerably depending on a range of environmental pressures. In captivity, they can live up to 45 to 50 years due to safer conditions and consistent food supply. They also mature slowly. They don't usually start breeding until they're around 6 to 7 years old, and they typically lay only 1 or 2 eggs per year. This slow reproductive cycle makes population recovery a gradual process. Bearded vultures face steep declines in Europe due to poisoning, habitat loss, and myths claiming they attacked livestock or carried off babies, which is not true. Thanks to conservation efforts, including reintroduction programs in the Alps, their numbers are recovering, but they're still considered near threatened. The bearded vulture isn't just a bird, it's a bone-eating legend, a natural recycler, and one of the most unique scavengers on Earth. It turns death into life in a way few animals can, cleaning up the mountains with style and precision. While many may view vultures as unsightly or sinister, the bearded vulture serves as a compelling exception, a truly magnificent creature of the skies, known for its elegant appearance and formidable bone-crushing strength. Subscribe for more amazing nature stories. Thanks for watching.